Now let us look on to the potential values of this 3LP coated pipeline. I have connected the positive of the multimeter with my structure and the negative with the reference electrode. Let me now look on to the potential values. I have taken this reference electrode closer to my structure and the potential values that I read on my multimeter is minus 0.284 volts. If you look on to the practical galvanic series sheet, you can see that this value comes under the category of a rusty steel. In order to protect my rusty steel from external corrosion, I am providing an impressed current cathodic protection system. For an impressed current cathodic protection system, the main component is a transformer rectifier unit. The transformer rectifier unit over here replicates the one that you see on field. The positive of the transformer rectifier unit is connected to the anode. The anode that we are using here is a MMO wire anode. This anode is similar to a tubular anode that you usually see on field, which is either placed in a horizontal direction or in a deep well configuration. The negative of the transformer rectifier unit is connected with the structure to be protected, that is the 3LPE coated GAIL pipeline. Now what is happening over here is the anode is delivering current to the cathode and is protecting the cathode from external corrosion. We can see the changes with the change in the potentials. The potential reading that you can see now is minus 0.317. This is the potential of the cathode that you are reading. Now let me increase the CP current and let's see what happens. So the reading that you are seeing on the multimeter is minus 0.87 volt. This is the on potential of the structure. I require 72 hours for the structure to get polarized. The 3LP coated pipeline has now been polarized. Let us now use a current interrupter to see whether or not we are getting the instant off PSP value greater than minus 0.85 volt as our NACE SP0169 standard says. We will switch on the current interrupter facility. Every TR unit must have this facility. Now we have set the current interrupter on 4 seconds on and 1 second off. Now let's look at the change in the values. The reading that is the multimeter is showing is minus 1.545 volt on potential. The moment the TR unit switch offs, you get a reading of minus 1.135. Now when the TR unit is switched off, you need to read the second value. That is the correct value. So minus 1.142 is the instant of PSP value. This value is more negative than minus 0.85 volt, which indicates that my pipeline is cathodically protected.